Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato vegetable soup. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, fresh tomatoes, which are the star of our soup. For the vegetables, aim for roughly 1 cup each of finely diced carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget a good quality vegetable broth, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's get cooking. First, wash and chop all your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and blend well. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender and fragrant, forming a delicious base for our soup. With our vegetables softened, it's time to build the soup's body and flavor. Add your chopped fresh tomatoes to the pot, along with 4 cups of high-quality vegetable broth. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let the soup simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. This is also the perfect time to stir in your favorite herbs and spices, like a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Finally, let's achieve that perfect soup texture and get ready to serve. Once the soup has simmered, carefully use an immersion blender directly in the pot to blend it until it reaches your desired smoothness. If you don't have an immersion blender, let the soup cool slightly, then transfer it in batches to a standard blender. Taste the soup and adjust any seasonings as needed. Serve your delicious tomato vegetable soup hot, perhaps with a swirl of cream or a sprinkle of fresh parsley for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.